Everybody. So my name is Sergio Lucia. I'm a professor for process automation systems at TU Dortmund University, and I'm very happy to talk to you a little bit about study direction process systems engineering at our university. Yeah, I'm also responsible for this study direction. I'm teaching also a lot in this study direction. So if you have any question also about the real life of the study direction, then I will be also very happy to answer. So maybe a little bit about TU Dortmund University, in case you have never heard about this university. So it was founded in the 60s. It has two campuses, North and South campus, 30,000 students. So it's a rather big university, a lot of international students, and it has 17 departments with many engineering subjects, but also other social sciences, math, and computer science. So it's a general university. There are a couple of special things about TU Dortmund University. So, for example, in many universities in Germany and also in this one, when you register, you get a mobility ticket where you can basically move around the whole state of North Rhine-Westphalia, which includes also many other cities like Düsseldorf or Cologne for free. Yeah. It has a very large university sports building with a lot of different sports. It is inexpensive housing, especially with respect to compared to many other places in Germany. It is a very green campus. It has a sky train. It's the only university in Germany that has you can see a sky train that communicates the campus north in the north and the campus in the south. You can also walk, but you can also take the sky train. It's a pretty interesting experience. And because it's a campus university, it has also a very strong student community. So Dortmund, in case you don't know where it is, maybe if you like football, you have heard about Dortmund before because of the football team. So Dortmund is located on the west of Germany here. So it is located in the Ruhr area, which is Germany's most densely populated area with almost 6 million inhabitants. It is nowadays a very green area. It's a melting pot with very helpful to arrive people from different cultures. I myself also not German. I've been living also very happily here for the last years. And as I said before, it has relatively low costs of living, especially if you compare it with other big cities in Germany like Berlin, Hamburg, or Munich. So the Dortmund is around 600,000, but as I said, this is located in a very densely populated area with the neighboring cities. Yeah. Okay. So, but we are here to talk about the study directions and in particular process systems engineering. So, what is this program? Yeah. So, fortunately, this program has already a long history, almost 20 years of this kind of internationally oriented education in our Department of Chemical Engineering. So, what do process systems engineers they can and they are equipped when they finish the program with advanced skills to design, simulate, optimize, and control complex chemical and biochemical production systems. Okay, so this is the core of this process: designing, simulating, optimizing, and controlling complex chemical and biochemical production systems. Yeah, so you learn from cutting edge tools like Aspen, GPROMs, as well as new methods of artificial intelligence and machine learning that are becoming more and more popular also in process systems engineering. Also, a special feature is that the first semester is offered as a hybrid semester, so you can follow the lectures online. And this is, in our experience, very important because we know that visa can take a little bit of time, and maybe some of you cannot make it to the start of the program in October. So you don't have to worry about it. You will be able to follow, and then if you arrive 1, 2, 3 months late, then it shouldn't be a problem. So this program is very popular also because of the careers prospects of graduates. So this has been running already for many years. So we already have a lot of experience of alumni that have then gone into European or German industry from large chemical enterprises like Bayer, BASF, Covestro, Shell, BP, all these large chemical enterprises, to pharmaceutical industry, to contractors in automation companies, even to other type of industries like food industry or the semiconductor industry. For example, we have many alumni from the program that are joining the semiconductor industry in Germany. So there are also other members that are going to research and development in different companies, and also some that stay in academia, do PhDs, and follow also an academic career. Yes, maybe a little bit to give you a glimpse of what can you expect in this course. So it is a program that comprises 4 semesters. You see here the 4 years: year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. And you see here the different modules or the different courses that you have. In the first year, everything are mandatory modules. So this is a little bit of, okay, because everybody comes from different places. Yeah, we try to put the basics very solid so that everybody has the fundamentals that are necessary to go on and to finish the program, from computer science to introduction to reaction engineering, a little bit of fundamentals of chemical engineering on mass transport, and the introduction to process dynamics and control. This is the course that I do, and some labs about control, pumps, a little bit of basic laboratory experiments related to process systems engineering. Then the second year continues with modeling and simulation. So this is a model that includes a lot of static simulation, dynamic modeling, and also database dynamic modeling. So this kind of, okay, we need to build models and we need to be able to simulate those models. Then you have technical specialization. So you get these light green courses. There are 3 of them along the program, and you can choose 3 or out of 5 courses here. Then you have room for electives. So there is a lot of electives that you can do together also with the German students that are doing also the German speaking master. But the electives are in English, of course. And so you can find everything from specialization, if you like these topics, to machine learning, to model predictive control or advanced control methods. So there is a little bit of everything. Then you go into the third year with a group project, process optimization, conceptual design, and more electives. And then the program is finished with a master thesis. So what do you require to apply? So you require a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering or a related discipline. If it's a related discipline, we prove that you have enough knowledge on what is important for process systems engineering, right? So process control system, logic, simulation, mathematical modeling, those are necessary things that you should have. A bachelor's degree in chemical engineering usually has this basic, right? It's a program that is taught in English, so you require also English language proficiency at the level B2. And this is basically what you need to apply: APS, letter of motivation, 2 letters of recommendation, and certified translations of some documents. Very good. So how to apply? And important, May 15th is the deadline. So you still have around 2 months to prepare everything. And we hope that you apply. We start in the winter. As I said, for most of you, I guess this will be applied. If you have a university degree from the European Union, then there is no deadline for it. Or if you have a university degree from a German university, also you can apply throughout the year. But of course, the start of the program is in the winter term anyway. I think this is basically all that I wanted to talk about the program. So if you have questions about applications and enrollment, you can contact Marie-Christine Bost, is the academic coordinator of the Department of Chemical and Biochemical Engineering. This is where I am located. This is also where this study direction is located. If you have more detailed questions about the program of Process Systems Engineering, you can just contact me. I'm also the representative for international affairs of our department, and I've been teaching in this study direction also for many years. And if you are interested about machine learning, automatic control, advanced control, then you can drop me an email too. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And that's all from the moment.